friends. Today we will see session number 10. Introduction to Assembly Design. Assembly design allows the design of assemblies with an intuitive and flexible user interface. As a scalable workbench, assembly designs can be cooperatively used with other current companion products such as part design and generative drafting. The widest application portfolio in the industry is also accessible through the interoperability with Catia version number 4 to enable support of the full product development process from initial concept to product in operation. Digital Mockup (DMU) Navigator inspection capabilities can also be used to review and check your assemblies. Interactive variables speed techniques such as the walk through the and fly as well as the other viewing tools let you visually navigate through large assemblies. Top-down assembly approach. Top-down assembly approach means is an approach where the assembly structure and design are created starting from the higher level assembly and then the individual parts are designed within the context of the assembly. This approach is particularly useful when the overall product design detects the specifies of individual parts. Bottom-up assembly approach. In Catia, the bottom-up assembly approach designs approach involves creating individual parts separately and then assembly them. This method is useful when parts are designed independently and then need to be brought together to form a complete product. Product structure tools. Product structure tools are there. Workbench allows the representation of a component structures, that is a product part assembly, within an intuitive and flexible user interface. The component used are clearly identified, making the management of the assembly much easier. You can copy, paste component or constraint, add or insert component, new component to the assembly structures, unload, load missing models, replace components, modify components, properties, associate, remove geographical representation to form the parts. Constraints toolbars are there. We are seen in coincidence constraint are there, contact constraint are there, offset constraint, angle constraint, fix together, quick constraint, flexible sub-assemblies, and change constraint and reuse pattern. All these constraint we are seen in drawing. Today's session is completed. Thank you.